everyone, this is Vivo Mystery Cases and today we'll continue to talk about cosmic civilizations. Have you heard about the different stages and levels of civilizations? In the last video, we talked about levels 1 to 3 of different civilizations. Join us again as we find out some more. In the last video, we talked about 0 to 3 levels of civilization. Level 0 civilization is the current Earth human civilization, and all the energy sources taken from this Earth is unsaturated development. Level 1 civilization is planetary civilization. All the resources on the parent planet control the energy output of the entire planet. Level 2 civilization is stellar civilization. It can develop and use all the energy of the stellar system. The iconic feature is to build something like a decent ball-like device. Level 3 civilization is galaxy civilization. The level of energy required for this level of civilization will expand to the entire galaxy with space jumping ability, since the longer the jump distance, the higher the energy level required. So level 3 civilization is basically confined to the galaxy in which it is located. Civilizations after level 3 are what culture considered impossible, but we can still pass energy technology. This is the basic principle to gain insight into these high-level civilizations. Level 4 civilization is cosmic civilization. Civilization at this stage has the footprint that spread throughout the universe, collecting stellar energy in various and in between trillions of galaxies. They turn to find a greater source of energy. The neutron star are the few stars that have evolved to the end. Gravity collapses into a small volume, very dense stars. Its density is equivalent to putting the entire Mount Everest compressed into a glass cube or compressed Earth into a 22-meter diameter sphere. If humans stand on the neutron star, tidal force will be instant, squeezing every part of the human body into a particle state, and as the neutron star collapses to its limit, unprecedented power supernova explosion instantly release energy 10 billion years beyond a star. Total radiant energy of nuclear fusion, the brightest stars we see in the night sky, may be derived from a certain afterglow of a supernova explosion billions of years ago. How bright is the supernova explosion? Some scientists have estimated that if a supernova explosion occurred at the position of the Sun, the resulting brightness ratio is 1 centimeter away from the detonate hydrogen bomb with high brightness. This extremely high brightness illustrates how much energy can be produced at that moment. Level 4 civilization collects the energy of a supernova explosion, far more energy efficient than finding the largest star in a galaxy. But every galaxy is every 100 years, so there will only be 3 to 5 supernova explosions to get higher energy. Also, in level 4 civilization, the speed of light has not been reached. The laws of nature cannot be changed, but this civilization is different from level 3 civilization. Level 3 civilization found that even if it can create artificial wormholes, these wormholes can be very small and it shuts down instantly, unsustainable. They have to take the advantage of powerful celestial bodies in the universe. A huge gravitational field generated by a black hole makes a space jump and takes advantage of the natural gravitational fields in this universe. Set jump coordinates like building in the universe. Fix high-speed rail station or airport. But level 4 civilizations have studied neutron stars found inside. It is called strange matter. Strange substances have negative pressure. For example, if you try to blow a balloon with this substance, the balloon will get smaller and smaller. It is a perfect substance that produces natural repulsion, so this substance can be used to maintain the wormhole. But since level 4 civilization is already in control, energy of most stars in the universe has the ability to jump to any corner of the universe anytime, since this civilization has finally reached the edge of the universe. That is 93 billion light years, the outermost edge of a huge disk. The universe is constantly expanding into an infinite loop sphere, and the surface of this sphere is cosmic space. The wormhole is jumping on this sphere, penetrating a hole, leading to the other side, but jumps anyway and it can escape this universe. It seems that the development of technology has come to an end, so most level 4 civilizations at this stage gradually evolved into a fallen higher civilization. They started endless expansion and war, even used advanced weapons to destroy low-level civilizations. Most of the 4th level eventually died out, and only a few civilizations can break through their own limits to reach level 5 civilization. Level 5 civilization is a multi-dimensional space conversion civilization, a civilization that breaks through the boundaries of time. Very few level 4 civilizations have broken their limits combining artificial intelligence with own civilization. This civilization has reached the limit and has risen to a whole new level spiritually. The consciousness of all civilization is uploaded to a huge network of consciousness. This network of consciousness is a super artificial intelligence. Everything on this network can learn and share. There are different assigned tasks, adding to the evolution of this network to a new set of consciousness so that it can be obtained in an instant. A lot of knowledge on this awareness network. As these awareness networks continues to escalate, level 5 civilization has reached the limit that material civilization can reach. This civilization found neutron stars. Supernova explosion can no longer meet their requirements. They turn to a larger source of energy with the continuous upgrade of quantum networks. Level 5 civilization can already compress stars. That is, arbitrarily controlling the decline of a star since neutron stars are compressed stars. They compress it further, even miniaturization made a super weapon. The moment of opening is equivalent to one's gamma ray burst, but this weapon has never been used into a nuclear deterrent equivalent to a level 0 civilization because level 5 civilization knows the opening of this weapon means death. Level 5 civilization's spiritual improvement also makes the reach to the extreme on a moral level since it can control the collapses of stars, meaning any stars can be compressed into neutron stars, so every supernova explosion will force the atoms to aggregate into new elements. A lot of gold, silver, and platinum will be made. Do you believe that the gold jewelry you are wearing now is produced by a supernova explosion billion of years ago? Because supernova explosions are extremely rare, so in a level 0 to 4 civilization, gold is one of the rarest substance in the universe but at level 5 civilization. Supernova explosion can happen at any time. This only means that gold has become the most common substance. Level 5 civilization may use gold as a normal building material. In order to gain more development space, they started merging neutron stars and black holes instead. Black holes are actually very common objects in the universe. Only one Milky Way is expected to have more than 100 million black holes, but naturally occurring neutron stars and black hole merger phenomenon. It's rare since level 5 civilization can miniaturize neutron stars. The merger of neutron stars and black holes will be an extreme event in the universe, since the energy release is equivalent to the energy released by 100 millions of stars. This energy level will greatly meet the development needs of level 5 civilization. Quasar is the scariest part of the universe, the most powerful celestial body. This used to be a 0 to 4 level civilization. It is something to be avoided because anything close to a quasar will completely be absorbed by it. Even black holes are no exception. Quasars are actually the active core of a galaxy, equivalent to an active volcano. Collision of galaxies with active nuclei and similar speeds will collide with each other and will form a larger galaxy. The core of these two galaxies will eventually form the ultimate core, is a quasar. Two stages release a powerful plasma stream. The core of a quasar is a super black hole and it will tear everything around. The energy release is equivalent to the Milky Way 1,000 times the energy output of all stars. Supernova explodes in front of a quasar is equivalent to setting off firecrackers in front of a nuclear bomb, Expansion speed exceeds the speed of light to find that although the universe, no matter can exceed the speed of light, the closer to the speed of light, the closer to infinity. After surpassing the speed of light, time starts to flow. Level 5 civilization still can't change the past because this is the law of nature, but the benefit of this is that you can know that a civilization has passed anything that happens at any time. Historical dramas, real event replays, you can know anything that happened in history. Same principle in the process of approaching the speed of light. You can also travel to the future. You can still only see the future but can't do anything about it. Level 5 civilization can place the Earth in 3 dimensions, transform into 4D space so that one can go back to the past of the Earth. Level 5 civilization is like creating life equivalent to planting a tree. In the birth of civilizations, the creator of level 5 civilization will pass consciousness. Religion on Earth is now part of the reason for the conflict that comes from primitive divisions. Level 6 civilization is a parallel universe civilization. Added an ability on the basis of level 5 civilization that is space crossing. If you want to evolve to a higher level of civilization, the flesh must disappear and exist in the form of electromagnetic waves. This is a form of pure energy, and these evolve to higher latitudes. As early as level 0 civilization learned of the existence of this substance, but it can't see or touch gravity field because it can be used to know their existence. So at level 5 civilization, although all theoretical physics has come to an end, only the dark matter realm has no breakthrough progress. In fact, dark matter exists at high latitudes. Only higher dimensions needed to really see the existence of dark matter gravity. In the current universe, everything we know and observe, including stars and galaxies and all the elements both account only 4% of space, and what's left is 22% dark matter and 70% of dark energy. Level 6 civilization evolved to high latitudes. Finally figure it out, the real power driving the universe is dark energy. This is the biggest source of energy for the entire universe. With such supreme energy, level 6 civilization opens the way to the parallel universe dark energy relative to galaxies, equivalent to a fermented bread and raisins inside the bread that keeps expanding like an invisible force, and what causes this expansion is dark energy. So exactly this way, level 6 civilization confirms the existence of a parallel universe discovered beyond the universe and can move freely between parallel universe. Level 6 civilization will shift consciousness to experience the life of lower civilization and set points in the so-called experience selection room. They can see the future of some lower civilization's life, good and bad, poverty and wealth. Nothing can transcend this ultimate rule, even if the level 6 civilization is already near eternal energy, but only in the universe and eternal life in all phases of parallel universe will perish and immorality is meaningless. Level 7 civilization is called creator civilization. All consciousness of this civilization all return to a conscious body. No civilization can reach the creator civilization because the creator civilization is the only existence. It can only be described as an existence that creates all nature, the author of all laws of nature that enacts all laws of physics, hyperphysics, energy, and dark energy. Every substance and energy in the universe is created by it. It creates a universe in this hyperspace. Civilizations are indeed a broad system of the entire humankind and universe. Do you have what it takes to study and learn every aspect of it?
Do you think this is a coincidence? Or do you have any ideas to share? Leave us a comment down below and let's discuss. This is Fivo Mystery Cases. Feel free to leave us a comment down below for more video suggestions, topics, and ideas. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you for watching!